Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Peace Okanime, and today I am unboxing something that many UK homes absolutely swear by, the Henry vacuum cleaner. If you are in the UK, you've probably seen this little red-faced helper before. And today, we are going to find out if Henry lives up to the trend and the hype. First impression, the box is pretty sturdy and well sealed. You can already see Henry smiling at you from the outside. Come on, let's go into the unboxing and see what's inside the packaging. Wow, interesting. Can you see that? Can you see that? Neatly packed. First thing first, we've got the instruction manual and a quick start guide. Super helpful, especially if you are new to the Henry family. Now let's talk about the features. Feature number 1, we have the HEPA flow bag, which are great for trapping dust and allergen. Perfect if you have kids or pets. I really don't know what is inside there, but let's unbox it together. Ooh, these are the attachments. We have the dusting brush, soft and easy to use. This is another brush. The second part of it is inside the bag. You take it and you slide it in. Don't mind me, I'm struggling with it because this is my first time, I was like, this thing should do well now. Do normal, do normal, do normal. I was struggling with it, but I got a hand of it and I was able to couple it together. This still won't disgrace me. You can see how it feels soft on the hand, very soft. Then we have the crevice tool. And this crevice tool is used for tight corners. Those places like Akoko fridge. You put it there and you vacuum whatever rubbish that is there under the washing machine. Those places that the normal vacuum head cannot contain. So the crevice tool helps to sweep out or sucks out all the dust, even the corners of the house too. Then we have the main vacuum head. Let's open it. This is the main floor head, which you use to vacuum your rug or your wooden floor. It feels durable and not cheap at all. They definitely didn't cut corners on quality. Next, we have the hose. I call it the nozzle. Then we have the metal extension tube. This is quality. It doesn't look cheap at all. It's light and shiny. I love how the metal feels and look. Drum roll, the Grandmaster is here. The Grandmaster is out of the box. Look at how cute it is. Let's try putting it together. It's actually pretty easy. So we start connecting the hose to Henry's face. It twists in smoothly and it locks in place. No screwdriver needed, which is a plus. Next is the extension tubes. They just slide into each other and into the hose handle. You don't need any tool to do that, which is absolutely what I love. Then you attach the head and boom, we are ready to clean. The setup did not take more than 5 minutes and I actually made use of the manual so that I don't couple the attachment wrongly, and it was pretty easy. Now let's power it on. Not bad, it's not too loud, and the suction is actually stronger than I expected. I tested it on my rug and on the hard floor, and it handled both floor really well. Even picked up some crumbs I didn't even know they were there. And the hose gives great reach. The crevice tool, fantastic. I was able to get under the couch, the corners of the house without stress. One of the best things about Harry is the extra long cable, over 10 meters, which means fewer plug switches while cleaning. And when you're done, just use the manual rewind handle to tuck the cord back in. Very tidy. Henry is built to last. Some people have theirs for over 10 years. He is more than just a cute face. He is sturdy, easy to use, powerful, and comes with all tools that you need. If you are looking for a long-term vacuum that delivers value, I think Henry is a fantastic choice. What do you think of Henry? Let me know in the comment section if you have one too, or if you're planning to get one. This brand manufactures different type of vacuum cleaner. I bought the Harry, we have the George, we have the Harry, and a lot more. Choosing a vacuum cleaner depends on what you want the vacuum cleaner to do, and this company have different vacuum cleaners that would fit your use. If this content is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.